Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are talking about whether you can change your Sweatcoin into real money and how it actually works. So let's get started. So here's the deal. Inside the Sweatcoin app, you'll see your total balance of Sweatcoins at the top right of the screen. Now, if you're wondering how to turn that into actual cash, you'll need to head over to the rewards tab at the bottom. From there, you'll see your options. You have win, buy, and premium. If you tap on win, you can join raffles or super draws. For example, you might spend 2 Sweat coins for a chance to win an iPhone 17 or a PlayStation 5 Pro. These raffles change often, but one of the most consistent ones is the scratch card, where you can win gift cards as prizes. Now, if you want something more direct, you want to tap on buy. Here you'll find gift card options like Amazon, Google Play, or Spotify. The conversion rate is pretty straightforward. So it's like $5 gift card for 1,500 sweat coins, so on and so forth. You also have the option for premium at the top, but this one are for those who paid for the subscription, basically premium users. But once you have enough sweat coins, you can redeem them for these gifts, which is essentially how you turn your sweat coin earnings into real world value. And that's basically how it works. You can't directly cash out sweat coins, but you can trade them for gift cards and prizes that are worth real money. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!